Hi, I'm Mike Sinnott. Welcome to our interactive website highlighting the accomplishment of Power On for the first Boeing 787 Dreamliner. We prepared a series of screens, links, and videos to show you progress we've made and help you understand how Power On relates to the overall 787 program. We knew from the beginning that this airplane would be more electric. Our team started working on the 787 as the next new airplane at the end of 2002. It's been an exciting journey since then as we've made bold choices both in the design of the airplane and its systems architecture. We have designed and tested these systems in our offices and labs over the last 5.5 years. Power On is our milestone to show that they work in the real airplane environment and that they've been installed correctly.